Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. So in Finland we have these sauna boats that literally has a sauna in there. It's a boat that can take you around rivers, lakes, maybe even the sea. But not just that, but they also have cooking facilities. There's a grill, and I'm gonna show you this one particularly has a place where you can grill your sausage in the sauna. So let's go on a cruise. All right, so we are on the water, on the sauna, in the sauna, on the water. Crazy. What's gonna happen? I think we're gonna have some sausage. I think we're gonna go sauna. I think that's what's gonna happen. So this is definitely a cool part of the Finnish culture. When you combine sauna, you combine the long summer nights, or days rather, and then hopefully you get nice weather like this. So it's gonna be perfect for a little evening cruise in a sauna. How often can you say that you went cruising in a sauna? Okay, so here we are, literally, we're in a sauna on the water. So here we have these little hooks that are meant for sausage. So what you do is you hang the sausage here and it's gonna cook while we sauna. This is kind of like similar to how they used to cook ham long time ago in saunas. Of course, nowadays it's mostly just sausage that's done during sauna time. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hang up some sausages over here, and they're gonna cook while we cruise. Here. There we go. I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Okay. More sausages. So sometimes some people have actual grilling stones that they can put on the stove to cook the sausages. Some people like to wrap these in foil, just your regular aluminum foil, and then put them on the stove. I've seen some people even put them inside the fireplace, but I think what happens then, they're gonna burn if you put them in there. So I'm not really sure about that method. But this one is definitely a novel way of cooking these. I've never seen something like this before, but hey, you know what? We're gonna find out. And of course we have some mustard too to go with the sausages, as you do. It's starting to get a little hot in here already. Last one. Okay.
Tai joudutaan sitten ensin.
So we are literally on the water in the sauna. I don't think I've ever been in a sauna that's closer to water than this one. So you can actually hear the water underneath us as we are just sailing across the sea. The river Aura is right here. The fire is burning and our sausages look like they're cooking. So in order to cook the sausages, we are going to, well, of course we're going to sauna, so we're going to be throwing some water here. So as the water heats up, it's going to cook those sausages too. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. This is a really unique experience.
Alright.
Alright, so now that we've had all this time in the sauna, in the water, the sausage is now ready. So of course, you have to have some Finnish mustard to go with it. What better way to end a cruise in a sauna than a bit of Finnish sausage? That's classic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.